What is Keikyu Store like? I'm at the Keikyu Store at Kawasaki. See, Keikyu Store is located underneath of train track, the Kawasaki's case. This outside is the instant noodle and all the vegetable. These are the very reasonable items, so people will notice whatever the display outside the store. Those are the reasonable one. You go in, look, and purchase it. So they have all kinds of granola and ice creams and drinks, and the right ones to drink too. Because of the Keikyu, all they have the space for the train tracks. So the floor is not wide enough because you have to, everything has to be displayed under the train track size. So let's take a look. It has all the noodle on the left, and tofu and natto. You're going to see it. So when you buy, because of this is as you can see, the space is wide. It's space is limited. That's all the cut fruits you see. So you are not going to use the cart. Maybe it's better to use carrying the container instead. So lots of sushi, piece of sushi, and another one which the lunchbox choice, the cut fish, and the beer on the left. Here the Japanese lunchbox, tons of selection to choose from. This is kind of a little narrow, as I saw the. Let me see. The bread on the left and snacks. Yeah, this is space is not wide. So if you're going to stay here, maybe it's rather not to stay longer. See, this is a narrow space. And so going down to this aisle is on the banana and the meat. There's only all the slices of meat. So let's take a look at the Japanese steak look like. This is a Japanese steak so thin. This is how they cut and sell. That is how they're going to see it on vegetable. Yeah, so on the vegetable as well, neatly cut, and sweet potato on the top, a cabbage on the half slice and the 1/4 slice, all the fishes, and another fish, the pork sausage you see. Here, yep. Here the slice of the frozen cut salmons, and another type of fish they are selling. Neatly like a wrap. And this is like an eel. And this was frozen seafood, and the Japanese vegetable and the wrap, and Japanese fruits. And on this side, lettuce, cucumber, and tomato on the top. This is the way out from the Keikyu stores. But we're not gonna go on. Let's say this is a unit. The Keikyu has their own point systems. So you have the point. You have a Keikyu card when you buy it. For my case, I purchased a train ticket, so I have enough point accumulated. So if you don't use it, you're going to lose. So what you have to do is type in a PIN number. The usual PIN number is whatever the PIN number you choose. But this case, it was a last 4-digit phone number. So I have 2,000 yens worth of coupon already. So I'm getting 4 pieces of 500 yen coupons. This is what I was able to purchase with 2,000 yen coupons. Let's take a look at what I could purchased it. I was able to purchase like 2 boxes of like a chocolate with almond. This is like a macadamia nut from Meiji. The 2-piece, each one is gonna cost like 240 yens. This is like a slice of bread and a raisin in the middle. This is a small, like a Japanese, like a sweet. This was like a 40 yen too. This is like a Japanese rice cracker. This is a pretty good one. And where's the peanuts? This is a Japanese pudding that comes a 4-piece. That was I was able to purchase was a 2,000 yen worth. So it was a wild trip to stop by the Keikyu Store. It's been long, but it's a very convenient location if you're going to shop, because the Keikyu is not running a train, but also they have a store nearby for shopping. Well, have fun shopping at the Keikyu Store, or see you next time. Bye.